Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. From the beginning.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
First, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. After that, بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Billahi minash shaitanir rajim.
أعوذ بالله. Read with me.
A'udhu billahi
من الشيطان
minash shaitanir
الرجيم.
rajim.
بسم الله
Bismillahirrahman
الرحمن الرحمن الرحيم الرحيم. Yeah, from the beginning read now. Start please. Hurry up.
Alif, Ba, Ta, Ta, Jim, Ha, Ka, Dal, Zal, Da, Ra.
Dal Zal. Next. This one.
Ra,
Good. And this.
Za,
Oh, now is very good. Okay, now you can start from the za. For example, in this style: za, ra, zal, dal, kha, ha, jim, tha, ta, ba, alif. Look on the screen please carefully. Okay, nice. Student name is Nadin. From the za start now. Hurry up. Mashallah, Nadin is good student because she is reading very carefully and good every day. My favorite student name is Nadin. Okay. Start from the za now. Go to reverse now. From the last letter go to first letter please.
Za, Ra, Zal, Dal, Ha, Kha, Ha, Jim, Ta, Tha,
No. From
Ba,
no. This one jim. From the jing again.
Jim,
Before jim what?
Ta,
This one.
Tha,
Yeah, tha. Nice. Okay, repeat it. Tha sometimes. Tha.
Ta, Ta,
What is this? With two dots is? With two dots.
Tha.
And with three dots.
Tha.
Nice. Okay, sometime repeat it. Good student, mashallah. Hurry up. Good. Nice. Repeat it sometime.
tha, tha, tha,
Stay looking on lesson. Another looking is
am.
not allowed during class. Stay look
I'm
on
looking at tha.
Yeah, nice student, mashallah. Okay, continue
Tha.
please.
Tha, 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 tha,
Hmm.
tha, 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 tha,
Hmm.
tha, tha, tha,
Nice.
tha, 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 tha.
Okay, ta and tha with 2 dots, ta with 3 dots, and tha.
That and ta and that and ta. 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 That and ta.
Okay,
That and
ta
ta.
and tha with 2 dots, ta with 3 dots, and
That and
tha.
ta. That and 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 ta. That
Okay, mashallah, I am very happy from your reading, about your reading, mashallah. Okay, we are starting now new lesson today. Okay, look on the screen. What is these letters?
I don't know. You never teach me.
Try it.
Seen.
Nice.
Seen. Seen.
How many dots on scene?
No dots.
Okay, explain for me with dots. 2 letters.
What?
First letter is in green circle.
Seen.
Oh, nice. And second letter is in purple, I think, a good color. Purple is my favorite color. What is your favorite color?
Purple.
Also your favorite purple?
No, actually pink.
Oh, pink. Okay.
Pink.
Okay. I'll nice to color pink. Okay. Purple color letter what? Purple circle letter.
Sheen.
How many dots? Top and down.
Top has 3 dots and bottom has no dots.
No, good. And scene next green circle.
No dots.
Okay, continue please. Don't stop. It's for your practice exercise. Okay, stay, look and read please. Hurry up, hurry up.
Sheen and seen.
Yeah, don't stop, don't stop. Continue.
Sheen and seen. 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 Sheen and
First
seen.
you can read.
Sheen and
First
seen.
you can read this one. This first, and second is this one. And second. First is seen. Second is seen. Sheen. Yeah.
Sheen and seen. Sheen and seen. Sheen and seen. Sheen and seen. And seen and seen. Sheen 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 and seen.
You are looking where?
Sheen and seen. 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 Sheen and seen.
Okay.
Sheen and seen.
I'm opening the this lesson. Start from the beginning now. I will open for you this page. You start. Hadith lesson. Hadith.
Okay.
Stay look on lesson and start please.
Okay.
Start.
Supplication is worship. Do not become angry.
Nice.
Do not envy one another. Do not hate one another.
Nice.
Modesty al-hidayat is a branch of faith.
Modesty al-haya is a branch of faith. And next is al-birru husnul khuluqi. Al-birru husnul khuluqi. Yeah, it's very easy lesson. Yeah, mashallah. Continue, please. Righteousness is a good attitude. Okay. Yeah, righteousness is a good attitude. Okay, please, you can start now. Al-birru husnul khuluqi. What is this hadith?
Righteousness is a good attitude.
Righteousness is a good attitude.
Good attitude.
Oh, nice student. Nice reading. Mashallah. Next.
Actions are attention.
Actions are but by intentions. Yeah, this one. Repeat it.
Actions are but by intention.
Yeah, 50 times repeat it. Memorize it.
Actions are but by intention. Actions but by intention. Actions but by intention.
No. Please, why are you cover your eyes? Actions are but by intentions. Complete read, please. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Hurry up. Don't stop.
No. Actions are but by intentions. 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 Actions are but by intentions.
Nadine, you have a mask. You have a face mask.
What?
No, in your house, in your home, you have a mask, face mask.
Why?
This for hijab. For hijab. Hijab means females are cover her nose and lips and complete
it
this.
Doesn't fit.
Understand?
It's tight. It doesn't fit.
Okay, no issue. I will explain for you for the ahkam, inshallah. Okay, now continue, please. Good.
Actions are but by intention. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by intentions. Actions are but by actions are but by intentions. 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 Actions are but by intentions.
Nice, continue.
Actions are by intentions. Actions are by intentions. Actions are by intentions.
Action, or don't stop.
Actions are but by actions are
Nice.
but by intentions. Actions are 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 but by intentions. Actions actions are but by intentions. 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 Actions are but by intentions.
Okay, now you can start
No,
this screen.
I am. What?
Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, start. I opened the lesson for you.
Alif ba ta. Alif alif ba ta sa ji. Alif ba ta sa jim ha ka dal zad ra za sin and sheen.
Okay, don't stop. Sometimes repeat it.
Alif ba ta sa jim ha ka dal zal ra za sin and sin. Alif ba ta sa jim ha ka jim ha ka jim ha ka dal zal and ra za sin and shin.
Don't stop.
Alif ba ta sa jim ha ka ta. Alif ba ta sa jim ha ka ta. الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال را زا شین سین الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا تا کھا الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال را زا شین سین سین شین
Continue.
الف با what
Continue. My favorite student name is
Nadine
Good. Continue. Don't stop.
الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال را ها زا سین and شین
Don't stop.
الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا تا الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا تا تا الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال را زا شین شین سین شین
Okay. Continue. Good student.
الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا تا الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال ها زا سین شین
Yeah. Continue.
الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال را ها زا سین and شین
Continue. Good student. Mashallah.
الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا دال زال را زا سین شین الف با تا ثا جیم ها کھا and
Okay. Mashallah. Good student name is
Nadine.
Oh, ماشاء اللہ. Say Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Complete Islam say.
السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ وبرکاتہ.
Goodbye.